We have this unopened box and it's called Kitchen Science Experiments. It contains 6 kitchen science experiments. Do you want to open this and see what's inside? Let's open it. Look what's inside. Wow. We can even make rock candy with this. And we can make volcanoes. Can we do our first experiment? What's the first experiment?
Rocket!
It's a rocket ship! For this, from the kit we need the rocket, a launcher pad, and a small spoon. From the kitchen we need baking soda and vinegar. Here are the instructions. Let's fill 2 ml of vinegar. Is that enough? Yeah, it's enough. Now we need to fill this hole inside the foam rocket with baking soda. Do you want to do it? Okay, I'll help you. Now the spoon with baking soda. And then we're going to put it inside the spoon. Now we're going to put this onto the veil and then shake it 3 times and move it really fast. Let's see what happens. One, two, three. We're going to try it again. We filled 2 ml of vinegar and he filled the baking soda.
Baking soda.
We're going to put it inside. We're going to squeeze it inside. And then shake it 3 times and then move away. One, two, three. Let's see how this is working.
How did the rocket go?
The rocket propelled due to the chemical reaction between vinegar and baking soda. The acidic vinegar reacts with the alkaline baking soda to produce carbon dioxide. There is no place for the carbon dioxide to escape inside the launch pad. The pressure builds up and eventually the launch pad propels the rocket high up into the sky. So why didn't the rocket propel the first time we did it? Because the connection between the rocket and the launch pad was too loose that the air leaked out, so the rocket didn't propel. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.
That's a rocket!